Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna talk about some date night ideas, specifically affordable ones. These don't have to be these don't have to be specifically romantic date nights. They could be best friend date nights. They could be you and your dog's date nights. Isabella, do you want to go on a date with me? I think that was a yes. Oh, I'm gonna take that as a yes. I think Isabella would love to do all of these things with me. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. I have a little notes down here if you're wondering why I keep looking down. I think my first idea is kind of simple, but hear me out. Okay, you could have a game night at home with just you and like your significant other, or you and your best friend, or you and your dogs. I don't know how good your dogs are gonna be at Monopoly, but you know, go for it. This could be totally free. You could just go get a pack of cards from your junk drawer, because I feel like every house has a pack of cards, and you could look up different games that you could play on the internet. You could pretend to tell each other's tarot with playing cards. Like, you can do a lot of things with just playing cards. Heck, you can download a playing cards app on your phone. This could go all the way up to getting a new video game system and playing some Mario Kart, or playing some, I don't know, what are video games? I don't really do that, but that could be really fun. It could be Monopoly. You could go to Target and get one of those really fun, trendy, hipster games. I really like Exploding Kittens. It's really fun. It's way more fun than what the title may suggest, so that's good. I'll link that down below. You could do Monopoly if you really hate your significant other. I'm looking at you, husband. I will never play Monopoly with you again. I will watch you dominate other people and be like, that's my man, but when it's against me, not so nice. Be nice. That's a story time for a later date. But my husband loves games. He loves being competitive. He loves board games. This could be even better if you find like a cooperative game, like you two versus, I don't know, something like you two playing together on a video game or whatever, rather than competing. I'm not a competitive person. Husband is very competitive, and therefore it's a little skewed. So there's that. But like something like Exploding Kittens that is quick and easy, and we can play it multiple times, and it's for the most part a game of luck rather than a game of skill, but it's still fun and funny, is a great way to go. Along with this, I think it could be really cute. Hear me out, this is cheesy, but you could modify it. What if you got matching pajamas? And then you set it up and just surprise them, him or her, with like a snack setup, like some popcorn and some candy and some pizza and some soda, or, you know, beer, wine, whatever you want. And then you have the board game laid out, ready to go, or the video game. And then you lay out the cozy pajamas. And when they come home, you're like, it's on, mofo. Let's do this. I think that could be really cool. It could be really affordable, or it could be really bougie if you want to like buy your significant other a Nintendo Switch. I'm not gonna do that, mostly because husband bought himself a Nintendo Switch. He also got a PS4 for free. If you want to hear that story time about how my husband is literally the luckiest person on the face of the planet, comment down below. He gets a lot of things for free, and I don't understand how. It is totally luck. Idea number 2, go to a drive-in movie. Those still exist. If you are in the Dallas area, there's one in Fort Worth, and there's one in like the Euless area. There used to be one in Louisville, but they closed down, and I don't know if it's permanent or not. But this is a great time to do it because I think during the winter a lot of them close. So this could be really fun. It could be pretty affordable. I think their tickets are a lot cheaper because they don't have to maintain as much. The one in Fort Worth I've not been to, but I plan on going soon once it gets a little bit cooler. they don't allow you to bring in food or snacks, but they do have a food and snack bar, so you could buy stuff there. But if you wanted to make it more affordable, you could totally do a picnic before, like pack up a picnic stuff, set up your car. We have like a small SUV, but if you had a truck or a big SUV, I think that'd be awesome for this. You could do it in a regular car too, it doesn't make a difference. And just like go drive out somewhere, like have a picnic in the parking lot, or go to a park, or I don't know, just find somewhere pretty, have your little picnic with your cute little car setup, which I'll get to in a second, and then go watch a movie, or like go watch a movie and then on the way home go stop somewhere pretty and have your picnic, whatever. Don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive, okay? Very serious. But it'd be real cute. Get some like sparkling cider and like some sandwiches, or like, I don't know, whatever. And that could be really affordable, because I hope you have food at home. If not, DM me, please. And yeah, it could just be really cute. Now, your car setup. Here's where it gets cute. So you could totally do like some battery operated string lights. You can find them really cheap at Target, especially right now. Aldi usually has some, Amazon, whatever. Like you can dollar store, pay a couple bucks, get some battery operated string lights, maybe some LED candles, not real candles. And then set up, like what I'm gonna do in our car is put the seats down, like the back seats down, so like we could lay there, get a bunch of pillows, a bunch of really cozy blankets, and set it up so that like we can lounge, and then you got the string lights going and like the fake candlelight, and it's like romantic and cozy, but then there's people around you, so don't be a creep, don't ruin it for everyone, okay? Wait till you get home, you know. And it's just really cute. And then you could have your snacks at your picnic, or you could have your snacks at your movie and get some popcorn, and you could share the popcorn and it'd be so cute. I really want to do this. Husband, if you're watching, which I don't know if you are, let's go to a movie, a drive-in movie. Also, if you're in Dallas, or the Dallas area, go to Look Cinemas in Addison, and in the lofts you can rent like a couch, and it's $21, and it's like 3 seats. It's the same price as 2 seats. It's like a couch. It's really good. And on Wednesday they do half price wine. That's our go-to date night, but you know, do what you want. Idea number 3. This is kind of a similar idea to date night number 2. This also solidifies the fact that I am a homebody, and being cozy is my #1 priority at all times. Because idea number 3 is to build a pillow fort in your living room, and then like binge watch something. So we did this at our old house, and we just got like some king size sheets and draped them over like our ceiling fan and around places, and got some chairs, and it was really fun. And like we set up like a little air mattress on the floor, so we were still comfortable, and it was squishy, and we had like really furry cozy blankets and cozy pillows, and we were watching, I think, Despicable Me 2 and 3, which I fall asleep every time I watch those movies. Like that was the last time I tried to watch it, and I just passed out, and I slept for like 11 hours in there. It was weirdly cozy. So that was a fail of a date night, but it was really fun. It's a really good nap too. It's not a nap, that's a full-on sleep. But yeah, so you could again set up some snacks. You could do the matching PJs thing. I think this is really good because it's kind of like problem solving together. So it's an active thing that you both have to do, or you could do it and surprise him or her, that's fine too. But I just think it's fun to do it together. Also, I'm short and my husband is not, so that's nice because he can help me like do the high stuff, and then I can do the low stuff, you know? But yeah, get you some snacks. You could set up like the fort to go around the TV so that you can use the TV, or get like your tablet or laptop and set up stuff on there. I would probably binge watch, I want to say some Harry Potter, but husband might not be down for that as much as I am. You could watch some movies that you haven't seen before, rent some movies, whatever. Go to Redbox if you want to keep it cheap. Find his or her favorite movie, your favorite movie, binge watch a show on Netflix. so many options. But I think the atmosphere is what makes it right. And then you guys can like talk and snuggle, and you're at home, so you're comfortable. And if you're like me, you can put your pups in there. Isabella, Isabella. Oh, Penny, Penny, do you want to go in a pillow fort? Oh, they're both down. They're both so down. When we had our pillow fort, the dogs did not leave. They stayed in there with me for the whole time that I was asleep in there. It was a really long sleep. Like, I think I made the fort at like noon, and then husband came home at like 5, and then we watched like part of a movie, and then I passed out by like 5:36, and I don't think I woke up until the next morning at like 8. It was a really long sleep, but it was really comfortable. I just forgot about that whole memory, but it was really fun. But yeah, it was really fun and cozy, and you got your snacks, and this will be great like during the winter, or if it's raining, when you just want to be inside and not leave the coziness of your home. I'm a big fan of cozy at home. But yeah, I hope this gives you guys some ideas for some at-home, affordable, cozy date night ideas, right? It checks all the boxes in my opinion. If you want something less affordable, I always recommend going to see live theater, maybe a comedy show. You know, it's different than movie and a movie and a dinner and a movie, because it's the live experience is always going to be different. Go to a concert, go to a museum, see some arts. This is also a great time of year to go to like the Dallas Arboretum, or I don't know, if you're not offended by the idea of a zoo or aquarium, that would be fun. If you are offended by that idea, don't do that. But yeah, go outside, go explore, go do something fun. There's plenty of affordable things to do in most major cities. I know Dallas because that's what I know. But there are definitely affordable theaters you can go to, affordable comedy shows that you can go to. The Dallas Arboretum has its fall stuff going up right now, and I desperately want to go. But there's always events going on. So if you're bored of the same old date night, just look things up, try things. Even if it goes terribly, it's a good story, and you shared it with somebody that you care about. Yeah, so I hope you guys try these. If you build a pillow fort, take a picture and tag me on Instagram, because I would love to see it. I love that kind of stuff. It's real fun for me. But yeah, I will see you guys on Friday, and on Friday I have a special announcement. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell, follow me on social media. It's at Emily Funbun everywhere. Yeah, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye.